So welcome once again, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to deposit into your Exness account. So to deposit into your Exness account, all you have to do is just to click on this deposit button over here, the one with the down arrow. So when you click on the deposit, it's going to bring out this pop-up menu. Say choose a payment method. Either you are going to use crypto wallet or all payments, or you pick the other one. So anyone that suits you, you can go with that. But I'm going to pick all payments method. So here the menu has popped up. It says deposit all payments methods. Okay. So here it has popped up. Here you can see online bank transfer. Here's recommended method, what I normally use to deposit in my accounts. The minimum you can deposit here is $10 and the maximum here is 10,000 USD. We have bank card. You can use your bank card to make payments. You can also use Bitcoin. You can transfer to your Bitcoin and you can use that to make payment as well. You can use Netella. Here they also have online bank transfer too, but here you have from like instant to 5 days. So from then to within 5 days time, you can see your money. Also minimum $10 and maximum of 150 USD. So you can just go through the payment method and pick the one that suits you best. But for now, I'm going to be using the recommended online bank transfer. That is this first one over here. So here the menu have popped up and you can see you're going to be transferring to your MT4 account. That's this one. And if you're going to put in the amount, here is the NGN. So you're going to put in, maybe I want to transfer like $10. $10 should be around 14, or let's say approximately 15,000 naira. So we're going to put 15,000. Okay, sorry, it's 150,000. Let's put 15,000 naira. Here, this is the amount in USD that will be deposited to your Exness account, 10.21 USD. I'm going to click on continue button over here. So you can see the bottom of this page and tell me, you can see that there is no charges. You won't be charged any amount. And this is the rates at which they use to do the conversion for you. And once you're okay with that, you can click on confirm. So it's going to redirect you. It's redirecting me and said, would you like to pay? Of course you like to pay. Then you click on this pay with bank transfer over here. Then once you click on pay with bank transfer, you can read the instructions over here. Once you agree with all this, you're going to click on this and continue. So here a menu has popped up. It has brought in the account number that you make this transfer to. So all you just have to do now is copy this account number and go to any of your local banks and make the transfer. And once they've received it, they will be sent a confirmation that the money has been received and your account will be automatically credited. It won't take you less than 30 minutes for all this to happen. So that's why I said the recommended bank transfer. And you can see there's a time limit of 1 hour. So you have to make this transaction before the time elapses, before the 1 hour elapses. So you come to the end of this video, and I appreciate if you like this video. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. And I appreciate if you subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.